Did you guys see this? JakeOfALL, what are you doing? Don't you think you should be doing some content that people actually want to see and not some silly TikToks? Yeah, like people like seeing all that red stuff and you being informative about it. Why don't you make a YouTube video?
Okay.
Instead of silly TikToks.
Okay, well, I guess I should, like, I don't know, I gotta clean up.
Yeah, that cord right there is in the way. You've got, look, come over here. Look at all this stuff over here.
Look, I have a process.
What's this stuff right here?
That's the giveaway. We gotta announce the winner on that one.
Maybe you should be doing that.
Oh. Well, we'll do it at the end of this video.
Okay, and then what are those in front of you? That needs to be installed.
Well, actually, this is a cord holder.
Yeah. They probably want to see their stuff done.
So you want me to make a video?
Yeah, let's do it right now. Okay. I'm recording.
I'm the JakeOfALL, and in this video, we're going to install another option. There has been a lot of people out there working on different accessories for the PACKOUT. This one's one of the cord holder style. These are machined aluminum set screws. They even have a level setup, which is pretty nice. You got a bottom pocket, and then you have a top holder. We'll go ahead and install it on my main stack that I roll around inside the house or whatever else. And maybe we'll even give something away because I have too much crap.
You do.
Okay, so let me go ahead and get the PACKOUT moved over, and let's do this.
Yeah, you got to move that cord out of the way, you know.
It'll have a place to go.
Yeah, sure. I'm sure we'll find another cord
So
somewhere.
what do you think? We'll put it on this one.
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. I am going to put them on my drawer units. 3-drawer and 2-drawer both are the same. This is very similar for the small, medium, and large toolboxes. As far as removing screws, we'll go over on this one. You can sort of consider this one a little bit of a quick tip. But there's a tab in here that we're going to want to stick a screwdriver in and pry. This is what I found works. Is we go up and then pry down like that. Okay. Now you can pull the rail out enough to get the part on. On these, the way these go in, this will not slide on easily. You can force it, but what you can also do is pull this out all the way, take that screw out, set it out of the way, right? When you want to make sure that you've got this through, then we can place that on and we can put this back, and then you just have to use a small screwdriver to put that back on. Now I'm going to put these on the back of my unit because I already have the Kaizen stuff on the back, and then it's pretty much just push it back up into the top. And that bottom screw, I'm not certain it actually does anything. You can probably take that off without even taking that screw out. It really just locks the plastic into the aluminum. So I'll try this one the harder way. Yeah, see, that's just too much of a pain. Make sure that you pop that back up in there. I'm going to put both on this bottom unit because typically the levels that I carry around, this is where my screws keep going, will fit on here fine. On these, usually you'll want to span 2 PACKOUTs, but that does mean you have to have, you see what I just did there? I hit that up, you got to make sure that tab goes in, otherwise these will pull back out. Now, what I'm going to do is he makes a provision for this wrench to go through, and a nice little set screw. Okay, and as long as you're not talking about a massively tall level, that'll work fine for that. And then with the cord, I'm gonna put it down, put it up high, because this is my bottom unit and then I don't have to bend over as much. That's her job.
I don't know, you might look better.
We know that ain't the case. Oh, speaking of it, here I am.
Bend over.
Okay, so now, right, and I know we should all be going cordless, but if you imagine you've got maybe a table saw that you want to wrap your cord around, kidding. But there is definitely stuff on site that you're gonna have, that you want to cord. My stack, I have a bunch of Milwaukee tool chargers that are on PACKOUT brackets. So you're gonna have chargers on site. So realistically, you're gonna have chargers on your site. You're gonna have some kind of corded something on your site. And now that is nice and organized, and I can put this on my bottom stack, and I can take my main and, right, voila. But wait, there's more. One more tool out of the house. I know you give me crap about all my tools being in the house, so
Spin it so we can see.
I'm gonna spin it. That's the whole point. Look. Ta-da! Look at that. So now, my little stack that sits over in here sticks out maybe 2 inches more if you count because of the wheels. With those back ones, the cord's out of the way, it's not cluttered. Got a place for the level. I can take this top one off. Got my drills you can see hanging on this one, but then I've got a nice cord out of the way. It's not on the floor. I'd say that's a pretty cool looking setup. They're well made. I like the set screws. I like that you don't have to screw into the rail. And yeah. Sorry, they're putting new grass, waiting for tractors to leave. So
Hey!
Oh,
are you actually doing the video now?
I lost my camera, girl. Sorry, but she's, I guess, not holding the camera. So now
Yeah,
she's
not
here.
holding
Whatever.
the camera.
Great. Now there's something to look at.
Yeah.
So you can see complete little setup, right? You guys want to see that? Look at that cord, drills.
Looks good. Hey,
Level.
I have stuff for you.
Oh my gosh, not again.
Yeah, I got. Well, you keep leaving it inside.
I'm not supposed to keep tools in the house, and every time.
Look, here's one.
Do you know how? Here, why don't you put them on the PACKOUTs?
Hey, this is not my stuff. I am not the JakeOfALL. I'm the PACKOUT princess.
Which means you should know how to put something on a PACKOUT. I bet you don't even know how to put it on a PACKOUT.
Wait, which way is the right way? Hold on, I can figure this out. We can do this. Maybe. It's not over enough.
No, it's too far back. There you go.
Hey, who asked if I knew how to do this?
All right.
Don't micromanage.
So obviously I got to move my clip tech. I'll move that to this side, but this way I don't have to take both PACKOUTs. Oh, I'm standing in the way of PACKOUT princess.
It's okay.
I don't have to take both PACKOUTs for the level, so I like that. And it stows away. So, right, that's the end of the video?
No, we got one more thing. Look.
Oh.
You gotta
yeah.
you gotta pick the winner for that.
Did you guys see this one? Oh, it's too late if you're watching this. We're gonna go ahead and pick the winner.
Okay. Are you
All right,
gonna
you do it. You do it.
Oh, okay. So
Show them. You show them.
we're gonna random pick or winner or whatever. Okay, so I just have to pick a winner, right?
Back up to you. Just a
Oh,
teeny.
am I too close?
But then my head doesn't have to be covered.
Oh, okay. Ready? Pick a winner.
Wait a second.
Trash trucks. They're literally stopping outside of our house.
I have to have the door open. So if you guys want me to start a GoFundMe, put it in the comments, and we'll try to raise money to get an air conditioner.
You see, I'm glistening.
Yeah, nobody minds her when she's sweaty, but everyone seems to comment when I get sweaty.
Okay, I did click pick a winner, but I'll wait to show you till. And now the sod stuff is coming.
Fast forward. Come on, do this.
Yeah, we can go now.
All right,
you
she
can
picked
hear
the
us.
winner.
Okay.
Besides me, I'm the winner.
Can you see it? Jacob Phila.
What did he say?
I have to replace my network and my analog camera system and run new cables.
Sweet. So you're getting the pass-through and the pass-through connectors. I appreciate it. I'm not going to leave y'all hanging.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, okay.
You guys said in the comments you wanted Packout Princess back, and she snuck into the video, so she did that on her. And you guys want more giveaways, and I happen to have, I'm not going to show you, but I have 2 boxes, so stay tuned to the next, what is it going to be? It's going to be a quick tip.
Yeah.
So next quick tip, we'll have 2 things.
We'll have a giveaway in the next
2
one,
winners.
so keep following.
2 winners on the next one.
Yeah.
2 winners.
winners.
They're already boxed. I'm going to show you how to install them. I'm going to take them right back off,
Comes the truck.
and they're going to you guys. So I am JakeOfALL.
And I'm Packout Princess.
And we got to get inside. It's
hot.
It's hot. We're going to pack out of here. Bye.
I need air conditioning.